Seamless Gutters for Less, your trusted gutter installation experts in Lacey, Washington. At Seamless Gutters for Less, we are committed to providing top-quality seamless gutter installations that protect your home and enhance its curb appeal. Using state-of-the-art equipment, we custom-fit each gutter to your home, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Our seamless gutters are designed to prevent leaks and blockages, directing rainwater away from your home to protect your foundation and landscaping. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, Seamless Gutters for Less guarantees customer satisfaction and long-lasting results. Upgrade your home's protection with our durable and stylish seamless gutters, available in a variety of colors to perfectly match your home. Our seamless gutters are built to last, reducing the need for frequent repairs and maintenance. Spend more time enjoying your beautiful home and less time worrying about water damage. Our innovative gutter guards keep your gutters clog-free, ensuring smooth water flow and preventing costly water damage to your home's foundation and landscaping. Join the many satisfied homeowners in Lacey who have trusted Seamless Gutters for Less to enhance and protect their homes. Join the hundreds of satisfied customers who have experienced the Seamless Gutters for Less difference. Over 240 of them have left us 5-star reviews. We are very proud of that. And don't forget, we offer additional discounts for seniors and veterans as a token of our appreciation for their service and contributions. Contact Seamless Gutters for Less today for your free estimate and discover the difference, because your home truly deserves the best.